This Faceless YouTube channel is earning up to $20,000 per month just by creating and uploading shorts. And the best part is it's all done by artificial intelligence. Even the title, tags, hashtags, and description were generated by AI. Here's a sample. As you can see, there's no such value in it, but it's funny, shareable, and relatable content. Now I'm going to show you how I created 500 YouTube shorts absolutely for free. I will use 2 different AI tools to leverage the power of AI and make this production process a little bit automated. And of course, I will be using Canva as a YouTube Shorts editor. So the first AI tool is ChatGPT. Simply go to chat.openai.com, and typically it's going to ask you to log in and create a username. First off, I will start with GPT like this so it can generate me new quotes in the same sense of style that I'm looking to do. So what we're going to write is, create me 3 quotes similar to this, each with 2 parts. Part 1, you're always there for everyone, but part 2, you feel like you're always alone. So now we have all the parts. You're always there for everyone, but while lending a helping hand, you silently carry the weight of isolation, yearning for embrace of genuine companionship. But if we really want to do this in a way that it's giving us way more quotes, we're going to ask it to create us 500 quotes. Now we're going to ask it to arrange it into a table, part 1 in one column and part 2 in second column. Make sure you insert this line right after this one, otherwise it's not going to work. And then what it's going to do is going to give us 10 quotes. As you can see, I asked it 500 quotes and it ended up generating 10 the first time. Then it went ahead and generated 16 quotes, and then the last time when I asked it, it generated 50. And these are all different ones that I am currently having to transfer over to Google Sheets. That will be the next step. So all you want to do over here is go to Google Sheets. Okay, sign in with your account. We're going to go to a blank one. And we're going to want to paste this into Google Sheets. So now we have all of our quotes right here. Now the next tool we're going to use is Text Magic. Go to Google and type in Text Magic and click on this link right here. Now what you want to do is you want to go to our Google Sheets, copy all of these, and then paste here. Now there is a maximum of 2,500 characters, so you're going to have to do it a couple of times. Here it'll play the sounds, and you can go ahead and download it as an MP3. And you can also change the voice to a different voice right here. Okay, so the next tool we're going to use is Canva. Go into Google search and type in Canva. Click on this first link and you'll be prompted to sign up. Here I'm already signed into my account. Just sign up and you'll have access to this. Now from the home tab, search for mobile video. Select one of these templates and click customize this template. Now from the left side, you're going to want to search quotes. Okay, pick one of these that works for you. Obviously there's a bunch of options here. Now some videos come with the sound, so we need to click on this speaker option and mute the video. Also click on the text and delete it. Now we're going to create our own custom templates for these shorts. You can also extend the length of it right here and make it longer. Now click on Text tab from the left side and click on add a text box. In this case we're going to do male fact and make it a bit larger. We can increase the size by hitting the plus button here. The reason why we're doing male fact is it's all male related quotes, and we can see one of their most popular videos had a male fact caption up top, and it got about 2.2 million views. Another thing you could do, change the font of the text. We could do League Spartan and stretch it out so it's just like that. We can change the color to white, and we can also hit on effects and click on background, which will give us a black background. Also, another thing you could do here is add roundness to make it look cleaner. Now click on animate and click on fade style. Now click duplicate and drag it down to the center. Now change its animation to bounce. The way you do that is you click fade, and then right here you can change it to bounce right here. Boom. Now you want to go into the Excel spreadsheet or Google Sheets and copy the first part into that text box. Now that we've resized it, we're going to want to duplicate this and drag it down just a little bit. What you want to do is copy the second part of the quote and paste it in there. Now we need to change the timing for each box. So you're going to click on the first one, hit the 3 dotted lines, and click on Show Timing. It'll show you the timing right here in the timeline. You just drag it down into 5 seconds. Now click on the second box and move from the left edge to 5 seconds as well. And you're going to want to make the video 10 seconds. Lastly, you're going to want to put the second box on top of the first one, just like this. Now what you can do is take this and put in your YouTube channel handle right here. And as we did before, we can change the font. We can go to effects and add the background. Now we have our handle down here. We can delete this as well. Now our template is almost ready. We can edit the video and create a vignette effect to center the effect to help retain more audience's attention. And now we're going to automate this template by going over to apps. Now in the search box, we're going to type in bulk create and hit this one right here. Now we're going to enter our data manually. Now what you want to do is hit clear table, and we're going to paste from our Google Sheets all of these, including the part 1 and part 2, pretty much everything. We're going to hit copy, and we're going to paste it right here. Now that we have part 1 and part 2, we're going to click the first box. We're going to connect data. It's going to be part 1. Second box, connect data, part 2. Now drag the part 2 on top of part 1. And to make sure there's no errors, you should see these check marks right here. Now click on Continue button and click on Generate Pages. Now we have all of our shorts right here. Now what we want to do is we can change the background videos for each one if you want to, or you can just keep the same background. The way you would do that is you can basically hit on background, find videos. By hitting video backgrounds, you'll be able to get access to different videos. And for example, let's say this one, you want a different one. You could do this one. So the last thing we want to do is we want to upload our text-to-speech file. Now we're going to drag and drop our text-to-speech file and match it up with each short. Here is our file. And we can also split the audio wherever you need to split it. And then we can just hit split audio. Move it down a little bit because we know it doesn't start, and then just like that.
Never leaving, for he cherishes the depth of your trust and vulnerability.
Boom, and you just do that for all of them, and that's about it. And you'll hit share, and you can hit download, and you'll have all your shorts ready to go at 1080p. If you got value, smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.